Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. I'm David Washington. This is Kendall,
Yes, I'm Kendall.
and you can make this shit up.
No, you can't.
Hey, let's just get into it right here. The first chamber of the court in Mexico, that would be the Supreme Court, ruled that the legal system that penalizes abortion in the federal criminal code is unconstitutional since it violates the human rights of women and people with the capacity to gestate. So we're back in court. This time we're in Mexico. Kendall, what say you? What's your synopsis of this whole situation?
I think it's just interesting to see Mexico moving forward while the U.S. seems to move backwards. I mean, it was a unanimous vote on the Supreme Court. It was 11 justices voted in favor of decriminalizing it at a federal level, giving individuals the right to choose whichever option is best for them, whatever
Correct.
that looks like. And it just feels backwards that we're kind of moving away from that in the US, in my opinion, because for a country that's supposed to be standing for freedom, why are we taking away people's rights to choose what's best for them? Like that's my
Sure. I again, like you said, this codifies abortion at the federal level. States in Mexico do have the right or opportunity to criminalize it. However, an additional 7 to 8 million women in Mexico have now access to abortion services. This may increase access for women here in America to go to Mexico if their state has a ban, a complete ban, or a 6 week ban, or a 15-week ban, or 22-week ban on abortion. They can now, safely go to Mexico and get an abortion. This is um, great news for the rights of women in Mexico, one of the more Catholic countries in the world. This is a victory for women in North America, and the increase to access to abortion is a is monumental in this particular decision by unanimous decision by the Mexican Supreme Court.
yeah.
What's next for the states? I know that there was a battle for access to the drug. The
Mifepristone.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you. That's the
I think
name
that's
of
how
it.
you say that. I hope I said that right.
Mhm.
Is
It was
that still in the appeals court right now? Or
here in America. Yes, I
yes?
know. In Mexico, I believe we did a podcast about access to the day after pill or abortion pill this past summer or this past year.
Was it
Um,
the day after pill, like a
the
plan
day
B, or
after.
was it like mifepristone? Because those are two different things.
Okay, then I think it was what you stated before.
Mifepristone, because that is an abortion drug, and then plan B it just stops ovulation, so
Okay,
that's not
okay.
an
So it's
abortion pill.
it was the first
Mifepristone.
medication.
I think that's how you
Yes.
say that. If I'm saying that wrong, it's gonna be really
You
awkward.
see how I'm avoiding trying to say it because I
You
will
don't even want
butcher
to try
it.
and
I will
pronounce
so
it.
bad.
I want to say it's mifepristone, but or something similar to that.
Exactly, and there was a battle over access to that medication in Mexico. So, with little research, I perhaps we'll find out whether or not this would include this ruling does include that particular medication. But here in America, the battle rages. We know that, and we discussed this last week that the 15-week abortion ban here in Florida is under review by the Florida Supreme Court. They're hearing briefings now as of last Friday. And again, if the conservative Florida Supreme Court agrees with the state's premise of privacy, which is the basis of the court case. If this is a matter of informational or decisional privacy that people have the right to, seeing that this is a DeSantis conservative Supreme Court, it's likely that they'll rule that the right to privacy is informational, not decisional, and therefore abortion does not fall under that particular understanding of privacy. And thus, the 15-week ban will go into place, thus triggering the 6-week ban.
Okay.
That was long-winded. I can't believe I remember all that. I had a good night's rest last night. I did not stay in the Holiday Inn, but I had a good night's rest. So congratulations to the women of Mexico gaining access to reproductive rights, to the right to an abortion. I'm sure that advocates here in America are taking notice, and we'll see come November 2024 how abortion plays into the election cycle. So, you have anything else to say?
Nope. You pretty much said it all. So
Here we go.
awesome.
So look at that. We just did our research, presented it to you. Get your feedback. We welcome your comments. We welcome you sharing this particular episode with your friends, your family, politicals, electeds, anyone who's interested in this debate. We enjoy interacting with you with your comments, and when your comments are sincere and honest. We enjoy the debate, we enjoy the back and forth, and keep us honest. If there's information that we may have misrepresented, please let us know, and we have no problem correcting ourselves. Until the next time, please like, share, hit the notification button, join all of our shows, socials. We want to thank John, our producer. This is the Jane Washington Network. We are your political innovators.